welcome to True Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Today, we're gonna take a look at some of the most best story time teller here on YouTube, guys. Number one, I'm gonna go with owamie, guys. So those who don't know Owamie, she's a South African entertainment blogger. She has shared us and most of her situation we can relate. She has proved to us you don't have to go through so much just to prove to yourself that you're a good woman and you can keep marriage. You know why? She has done it all, guys. She has shared it all, and I think we already know we can relate to some of her situation. I'm gonna go with small stuff. She's the most favorite storyteller here in South Africa, guys. She's doing well for herself, and especially young girls could relate to her because she has gone through a lot. But at the end of the day is that when they say God do give a chance, they mean it. She's currently now married and she has a son, guys. She's living her best life with her husband. I will go with Wusi Portia. For those who don't know Wusi Portia, she's a makeup artist. She's very good what she does, guys. What girl knows how to put those everything in places. She has shared a horrible experience when it comes to mature. And one thing I love about her, she will always tell you that you do not have to go through so much for you to suffer because as a man. The best thing you can do is to stand for yourself and be independent and make your money, because you understand that not everything that is going on you have to force yourself, guys. You don't have to suffer, guys. It's not worth it. And therefore I'm gonna go with Zibele, guys. She's a very close. I love her so much. She's a very good storyteller, guys. I enjoy her content, and right now she does do blogs with her husband, and you know what, she's a very good story time, and she has shared a lot of horrible things that happened to her. There was a time where her boyfriend was having tofola while she was around, in her present, but she was in the other room. She thought the guy was doing photograph because he was a photographer. And the guy, he's busy doing tofola. And then that, I think it is really, really traumatized her. But anyway, sorry for that. We're gonna go with Samo Puzule, something like that. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong, guys. I'm sorry about that. But anyway, next time I'll do better. She's a very good storyteller. She's a comedian, and I enjoy her. If you're someone that you don't understand, other language, I feel like if you don't understand Sizulu, sometimes you can be a little confused, but she's a very good story time. She's also an actress. She's doing well for herself. She has a daughter, and she's living with her baby day. She's also a sangoma, guys. Let me sit and tell you guys, if you don't know Tata Fox, I don't know which country you're living in. Tata Fox, she's a very good storyteller, especially when it comes to friendship and marriage and whatever. But at the end of the day, she's a very good story time teller. I'm sorry to say that. Story time, she's very good. She's very good. I don't have that much to say. I'm gonna say with Naledi Malala. For those who don't know Naledi Malala, you don't know. If you don't know Naledi Malala, I don't know which country you're living, because Naledi Malala, she has been, this year it has been a very hard and a good year for her. She's a very good storytime teller. I enjoy her. She has a strong personality, and I'm gonna go with Mpumile Duwaba. Right now, Mpumile Duwaba, she's currently busy. She's a very business woman. She doesn't do story time most of the time. She does a podcast, sharing, and I think she's very good in everything. Bumile, she's very good at, guys. She's a proof that you can make something from nothing, guys. You don't have to. And also, I feel like she's very good if she do, but I'm not sure about that anymore. But she's very good. I can just give her 5 out of 10. I will go with a beside dating married man and still other people's husband. Umetlali Thomas, she's the best when it comes to tell a story time. She's very good and she's doing well for herself. And most of the time right now, she's no longer sharing story time because people poverty is afraid that she might trend on Twitter, because this year she never had a really good year for her. It was a horrible, But anyway, she's living her best life. I'm gonna go with Ndibu team. When it comes to Ndibuiti, I feel like when it comes to certain story times, Ndibuiti is all about, what you can learn a lot from her, what you can learn a lot from her. That's what I can say. She's very good. She has shared what happened to her mother, the things that she had to go through for her to survive, living with an educated man while your life is struggling, failing in school. Like I think most young girls can relate, especially if you are still trying to figure out in life that you should. There was a time that she was working as pay, guys. I am gonna go with Sims Right. Sims Right has shared a lot of things, guys. You know what? The life do give you a second chance. She's currently now married, and she did share what happened with her first baby daddy. And yeah, okay, has seen it through, guys. Has seen it a lot. I'm sorry to say that, guys, but anyway, it is what it is. I'm gonna go with Nanko. Nanko, for those who don't know, Nanko, she's a closer, she's a makeup artist, she's doing well for herself. I think she is a good storytime teller. She's the best. And this one, guys, I verify funny, but I enjoy his story, guys. Although he's a guy, but I feel like I enjoy. He's very good at what he's doing, guys. And imagine seeing Udediji telling you a story. You will start, you even stop doing what you're doing and concentrate, guys. He's very good. You see, sorry, he's very good, guys. Anyway, tell me in the comment section, who is your favorite story time teller here?